Nowadays, you are not eating because you are hungry, you are eating because you are bored. You are just sitting, scrolling your phone, and suddenly you feel like eating something. You go, open your fridge, and grab something, and you say that you have no control. The problem is not your stomach, it's your brain. But it's not a lack of control, you just don't understand the trigger. When you are bored, your brain looks for dopamine. And what's the easiest way to get it? Obviously, the food, especially sugar, junk, processed food because it gives you a quick dopamine spike. So, you are not hungry, you are just eating for entertainment. That's why when you are working, training, or focus on something, your hunger drops. If you don't control your brain will control your diet. And then you won't decide what you eat, your cravings will.